Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to cook pasta aglio olio. I know the original recipe used dry chili, but I think why not we use fresh chilies for today's episode. We're going to use leftover pasta from my previous episode. First thing first, slice the garlic, about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, 2 or 3 bird's eye chili chopped finely, and lots of fresh parsley chopped finely also. For the protein, usually I use canned tuna, but special for today's episode I'm going to use my homemade bacon. If you want to know how to make this homemade bacon, I put the link on the description below. Add the bacon on the cold pan and make sure you render that fat. And then add the garlic, the chili, and the parsley. Add the cold pasta and some hot water, and then stir until the pasta, garlic, chili, parsley and bacon combine together, and then season with salt, black pepper and chicken powder. Serve it while it's hot and enjoy. This is a very simple pasta using fresh ingredients and only takes about less than 3 minutes.